welcome back to my channel. I know technically this is an update video. I'm filming this on Saturday and I have a video going up tonight. I believe I'm putting this out on Tuesday. I don't want to spend too much time being overly negative. Just know that I am not always in the best headspace, especially lately with everything that has happened, which I will get into. So this is going to be part update, part of me sharing stuff that I bought because sad retail therapy. I got glasses. Finally, I can see. Not that my eyesight was completely horrible, but you know, I can see things far away. I'm missing a nail. Don't mind that. I have the bare minimum makeup on. No eye makeup, no lipstick, no nothing. And that's just been how I've been dealing with stuff lately. I have been doing makeup on TikTok. So if you follow me on TikTok, you know everything that has happened. So this is just, YouTube is the last place that I update anything on. It's not that I want to glaze over it because it is a big deal, but I don't want to cry on camera. So if you want to know the full story, I will link the TikTok down below. But last month my father passed away. He got COVID and his body couldn't handle it, and he passed away, and it's still taking it day by day. Very, very sad. So there's that. I got a job, so I'm starting that. When this goes live, it's the week that I'm starting. That was more of a decision going back to my old job. It was more of a, I was in a place. When I'm in places, I make decisions. You know how that goes. Obviously, my hair is a different color also than the last time you saw me. Life goes on, and I spent way too much money at insert name here because they had their warehouse sale. I will say I believe I'm missing one item. I contacted customer support, but we'll see what happens. Once I open this, I can't return it, so a little scared about that, but whatever. So one of the things I bought, I believe everything I bought was on sale, so I didn't buy anything full price, but I still bought a ton of stuff. These are space buns, but I don't like the color. I didn't know that these were so dark brown. So obviously they don't match my hair like at all, and I didn't know that till I opened them. So, and I got two of the Disney wigs. Now I am not a very good wig person. I can't cut lace for anything, but I'm so nervous about opening these because it's like, but this one's the Ariel one, and this one is the Merida, the Brave one. I've seen people use this though for like Chucky looks, so I'm hoping I can use it for something. And just for fun, I got their mini mic. I don't know, it was on sale, it was cute. I think it's compatible with my phone. These two I'm not going to open. I'll open the wigs, but I'm not going to open these yet. These are hair extensions because I did color my hair. I'm going to keep my hair color for a while. I have the blonde pieces in the front, and I need to touch up this color, which I got an IGK color, but I got some extensions so I can have long hair again because I couldn't get the red out of my last extensions. And this is a ponytail. Never tried it. It's in the copper color. For this to be copper, I feel like copper is a lot lighter than this, but I think when my hair is freshly dyed, it will match it pretty well, or at least they'll be in a ponytail and I can fake it till I make it, because obviously I have the blonde in the front. Not everything's gonna match me. Then I got 5 other wigs, so 7 wigs altogether. For somebody who doesn't wear wigs, I got a lot of wigs. Also, I've been trying to stay hydrated more. I basically almost, I'd say like 95% cut out soda and a lot of like sweets. I mean, I'll get cookies every once in a while, but like I'm opting for fruits over actual like cookies and chocolate. Mainly I cut out chocolate a lot. These ones, they're packaged in a way you can't see the color, so obviously I have to open them to look at them. So I don't have the list of what I bought. Hopefully there's something in here that tells me what it is. Apparently all this is attached to it and I gotta cut it off, so I will do that later. You can see the color. I will have the name of what this is on the screen, but I really like this. It has the darker root and it goes blonde and then the red at the end. No bangs on it, but I don't know. I absolutely hate these nets. I just hate them. This one I could get out easy. I love how these feel. They don't feel like the crappy like Amazon wigs that you can get for pretty cheap, but it's cute. It's like a silvery blue with a darker root. Again, I am just so scared with this lace. I had 2 lace wigs and I messed up the lace and it's never been recovered. I just hope this fits. My husband always jokes that I have a big head. It's true. I stretch out hats a lot. I hate this packaging. So it has the dark root to like the gray to the blue. Super pretty. I'm into it. Again, none of these have bangs so far. I feel like bangs are easier with the lace because you don't have to worry about the lace. Okay, this one has bangs. I think this would be super cute. I don't know. Okay, I just threw it on over my hair because it's like the same length as my hair. I feel like with these glasses, it makes me look like a granny because it's so gray. I like the color. I definitely have to play around with all that. And you know, actually tie my hair back like a normal person would when they try on a wig, but last one, finally. And I just had to find a place to store these where my cats won't eat them. Ah yes, I got a blonde wig. This one doesn't feel as soft as the other one, but it's still like a load better than the Amazon ones I've had. Ooh, I like that. It's so cute. Oh, I miss being blonde. I was never this yellow of a blonde. Oh, I have been, but I usually try to tone out the yellowness. But this, it's cute. It has like a kind of offside part. I feel like a blonde Jessica Rabbit. Yeah, that's my little haul. Probably sucked, but like I said, not totally in the right headspace with how things have been lately, but I'm getting better, and content will be coming, I promise. I swore I was gonna go up to like 3 videos a week. I think I'm gonna have to stick with 2 for now, but you know, we'll see where things take me. Hope you guys like this video. Sorry if I was sad in the beginning. It's just life. Going forward, hopefully I can continue to make content. I do push more stuff out over on TikTok though, so if you are interested in more makeup looks, quick tutorials, fun transitions, that's the place to keep up with me the most. I'm trying to get back into Instagram, but photos just don't perform well over there, and I hate what Instagram has become, basically. I also bought a lot of makeup, so if you want to see a makeup haul, maybe I'll do one. I think that about wraps it up. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know down below. Follow me over on TikTok and Instagram, mainly TikTok. Please subscribe over here if you want to see me continue to make a fool of myself on camera. But yeah, thank you guys again. Hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys all in my next video, which will hopefully be Saturday. See ya.